Oh.
For sure beans, 100% beans.
Banana peel.
Oh!
Hi everybody, I'm Merle, and today we're going to be making something really, really weird. I was online and I saw this recipe for banana peel pulled pork sandwiches. I'm used to people judging me for being vegan. I get it all the time. But even I was like, we may have gone too far with this one. I'm gonna follow the recipe that I found, and then I'm gonna bring in some of my coworkers and have them try it without knowing what it is, and see if banana peels are a viable ingredient that we should all be using. I'm using organic bananas because she used them. I did wash these first, so I would highly advise that. I'm just gonna set my bananas aside. Don't worry, they will not go to waste. I will make a nice little smoothie out of them later. She made this look really easy. Oh my God, it is really easy. I'm killing this right now. You know what? I'm gonna be open-minded, and I really hope that this tastes good. I'm rooting for the banana peel. We want that stringy consistency, stringy texture, just like pulled pork. This is what you want it to look like. Oh God. Okay, so now it's time to add all of our flavors. Feels like a lot of seasoning for a very little bit of food, but I think that's kind of telling. We'll see. Oh yeah, look at that. You can hardly even tell what it is anymore. I want to get the texture before I cook it, and then the texture after I cook it. Just like a lot of seasoning on a cold napkin. You can't taste the banana at all. Ooh, wow, that's gross. Cannot believe I just ate raw banana peel. Okay, so now I'm supposed to add some water. Let's add some barbecue sauce. I'm gonna toast some buns, plop this baby on there with some coleslaw, and then I'm gonna try it. You ready? Let's do this. That's pretty good. I'll tell you one thing, it does not taste like bananas. The look is good. The seasoning is on point. The texture isn't quite there for me yet, but like, I'm gonna finish this. This is good enough that this suffices as lunch for me today. All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna whip up some more and bring some suckers in here.
Okay, that looks interesting, first off. It doesn't look like pulled pork to me.
Okay, oh, okay. Oh.
Everything is so translucent looking, like it's also thin and papery.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at this little piece right here, do you see?
The texture is definitely very pulled porky.
It looks like an eggplant or something.
And then also this, I initially thought it was
It's
a
a carrot.
carrot. It is a carrot.
It's coleslaw on it.
Oh.
All right, I'm doing it. Go.
I'm nervous.
Oh wow, that's another way to do it. I'll give you a couple minutes.
It's bigger than I thought it would. I'm so sorry. You know what? Go for another bite.
You didn't even eat it.
I didn't? Where is it at?
Ooh, spicy. Very sour.
Sour?
Better than jackfruit for sure.
This took a little bit.
You didn't even make eye contact with me while you did that.
Did you put sweet and sour sauce in it?
No!
I mean, it's obviously not meat, but it's still good.
I wish there were honestly more of the filling or whatever the pulled pork.
I've used a different vegan substitute ingredient that one may not normally use.
Can I guess?
What is that?
Yeah.
Paper,
No!
It's not bugs, right?
cabbage, tofu, soy.
No, that's very broad, but no. It could be anything.
It's not a mushroom.
No, it's not a mushroom. It's actually a fruit.
Beans.
No. Something you normally throw away from a fruit.
So it's like an end. So
It has ends.
Beans!
Yes.
This is a bean right here, isn't it? This is a green bean.
Oh.
For sure beans, 100% beans.
Banana peel.
Oh!
Like a peel? Like the trash?
I'm eating compost.
I'm sorry.
no way. Let
Yeah.
me try this again.
Man, you know, banana peels can be used for a lot of things.
Like what?
I'm definitely a little freaked out, but I'm like, I would eat it again.
I actually liked it a lot.
Wow.
It's pretty-
That's crazy.
it's pretty
This
crazy.
even has a nice char on it.
I like pulled pork better than this, but I will eat this if this is a substitute.
I mean, that's pretty good. I'm not vegan, and why would I replace pulled pork with a banana peel? Why would I do that?
It's cheap
Oh.
and it may be healthy.
And cutting down on waste. That's good too.
But you're like, you're not gonna do that. Thank
Banana. I like bananas a lot.
you. You can cut.